Do you know how many times I've used the English idiom, "It's raining cats and dogs"? The truth is, I don't think I've ever used this idiom. If it's raining heavily, I'm more likely to say it's chucking it down. Think about it. When was the last time that you heard somebody say, "I want to spend a penny," meaning they want to go to the toilet? And believe it or not, I've never told anybody to break a leg when wishing them good luck. While these old-fashioned idioms have their charm, they might not resonate as much in today's conversations. Language is evolving all the time. If you want your English to sound modern and natural, then listen out for the idioms that people actually use in real life, not necessarily the ones that are listed in outdated textbooks. So let's explore some of the idioms that people actually use in 2024. Number one is to get my act together. This is something I frequently tell myself. I really need to get my act together. And it means I need to start behaving more effectively and efficiently. I need to get my act together and finish this project. Number two is a no-brainer. And a no-brainer is a decision that's really easy to make. When the airline offered to upgrade our flight tickets, it was a complete no-brainer. We immediately said yes. Idiom number three is up in the air, and we use this idiom to describe something that's uncertain, often plans. Our holiday plans are still up in the air. We can't decide where to go. Everything at work is up in the air at the moment. We need to recruit a new manager. Idiom number four is the best of both worlds. And this means having the advantages of two different things at the same time. Living in the city centre and having a little garden gives me the best of both worlds. I have the convenience of living in a central location, whilst I also have the luxury of some outdoor space, some private outdoor space. Idiom number five is up to my eyeballs. And when you're up to your eyeballs in something, it means that you're really, really busy with something. I'd love to come out for a drink, but I can't. I'm up to my eyeballs in work. Number six is to run out of steam. And when you run out of steam, it means that you've run out of energy. You're exhausted. I was really excited at the beginning of the project, but now I'm beginning to run out of steam. Number seven is to bend over backwards for someone, and this means when you go to great lengths to help somebody or to achieve a goal. She bent over backwards to make sure the event was a success. Number eight is you can say that again, and we use this idiom in response to somebody when we agree with what they're saying. This summer has been a complete washout so far. You can say that again. Number nine is to pull yourself together, a little bit like getting your act together. But pulling yourself together is more when you've become a little bit emotional and you need to regain composure. I was a bit upset after the meeting, but I had to pull myself together and get back to work. Number 10 is once in a blue moon. And if something happens once in a blue moon, it means it happens rarely. I only go on holiday once in a blue moon. Number 11 is to turn a blind eye to something. And this means that you ignore something that you know is wrong. The manager turns a blind eye to the employee's complaints. It's a form of avoidance and often negligence. Idiom number 12 is in a nutshell. And this idiom is used to briefly summarise what you're saying. In a nutshell, learning English idioms can help you to sound a little bit more natural. Number 13 is cut to the chase. And when you ask somebody to cut to the chase, it means get to the point. Let's cut to the chase. We need more funding for this project. Number 14 is Groundhog Day, and we use this to refer to a situation where it feels like something is repeating itself over and over. Every day feels like Groundhog Day when you work from home. Finally, number 15 is take it easy, and taking it easy is relaxing. I've had a long week, I'm just going to take it easy this weekend. So there we have it, 15 idioms that you can use in your day-to-day life. I'm not suggesting you learn them all, but maybe pick one or two that you like the sound of and try popping it into your next conversation. As usual, you can download a PDF on my website which goes through all the language that we've explored today. If you found today's lesson useful, then I'd really appreciate it if you like, or even better, subscribe so that you catch future lessons. And don't forget to say hello in the comments. I love hearing from you. Take care, and I'll see you next time.